Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. And then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so this simplified pencil icon, and tap on this section. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo attached. So let's tap on the camera icon, and as you can see, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Here you can decide where you want to complete the section, so it's up to you. And now let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. Now in this step you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can change also the position of it, and thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so if you're happy with the results, tap on this save icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.